Some news just out from Pfizer. Meg Terrell joins us with more. Meg, good morning. What do you have?
Hey, Becky. Pfizer announcing it started testing its COVID antiviral pill Paxlovid in kids. They're going to run a trial in kids down to age 6. Currently, the pill is approved for or authorized for people 12 and older based on their weight. So they're going to be testing it in the same setting that they've approved it in adults, in kids who are symptomatic with COVID, not hospitalized, but who are at high risk of severe disease. They hope to see these results by the end of this year, at least initial results. They're also developing a formulation for even younger children, and as the data come in from these trials and that formulation gets ready, they plan to include younger kids in these trials as well. Remember, guys, this is the COVID pill that can reduce the risk of hospitalization or death by 89% if given early in the course of COVID to people who are at high risk. It's been in short supply for the last couple months, but that is really starting to ramp up. We understand 1 million courses will be available in the U.S. this month, doubling next month. Worldwide, this is what Pfizer says the capacity is: 30 million courses in the first half of the year, up to 90 million in the second half, a total of 120 million courses this year. So this is a drug that people have called a game changer. It has not been so widely available and easy to get that it really has changed the game so far, but we've been hearing about these test to treat programs coming to pharmacy clinics, now testing this in children, although it will be some time till we see those results. Guys?
Meg, things have kind of quieted down. We don't see the COVID cases. They've dropped dramatically across this country. What are the plans for the fall if there is a resurgence or if something comes back? Are the pharmaceutical companies ready to ramp things up quickly?
The pharmaceutical companies are, they're in this position right now where we're still waiting to find out what is the vaccine going to look like in the fall. Does the formulation need to change? Does it need to target Omicron or some combination of variants? We have not heard answers on that from any public health authorities around the world, although they are all looking at that right now. We also know from Moderna that the U.S. government has not placed an order for the fall in terms of boosters. And so we're just waiting to kind of see what the plan will be, who boosters will be recommended for. Many public health experts expect some groups at least will need booster shots in the fall. Maybe it's just older people and people with vulnerabilities because of their health. So we're going to have to see all of that. The companies are ready. We have not seen the orders get placed, and we also haven't seen what things are going to look like in terms of what the vaccine actually will be comprised of.